So now in this part, I'll be drawing out the front view of Guy Mai, and then later on, after I'm finished, I'll be printing him out to full scale, like pretty much a full scale poster. And I'm thinking this guy might be about 5 to 6 foot maybe, because the mechanism I made for Sam is about 3 foot, I'm guessing. So I'll probably make this one about 5 foot to 6 foot. So this will be the front view. I might do a side view, and I'll use that as a base for when I'm getting the measurements for the parts for the mechanism. So let's get drawing. And I'd say that's about it. I'm not going to make any line art for this one because I don't really see any point in it. It's just going to be kept as a sketch because all I'm going to be doing is using this as a reference when I build the mechanism and the size reference. So thanks for watching this first part, and I'll see you in the next. That might be a bit of CAD, it might be 3D printing Sam's feet, hands, I don't know. But I'll see you in the next part. See you later.